Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Dang and I'll be using 3 different cutouts for my layout. I'm also going to be adding very minor mixed media to this layout. I'm using the cloud as my background because I feel like this cut file looks like clouds as well, so I thought it would be fun. I just added some stitching and already backed up one of my other cut files with the red. Now I'm working on the umbrella cut files and adding some pattern paper to the cut. If you've been following me for these past couple weeks, you know that I love my light pad for these kind of things. It just makes it much easier for me to fussy cut these background papers for my cut files. I added some more stitching to my umbrella to add some more dimensions. Now I'm adding mixed media by adding black splatters to my page. This is going to be very minor mixed media since I already have so much going on my page. The black is supposed to be kind of like raindrops going against my umbrella. Now I'm ready to add some embellishments. I never really glue anything down until the very end when I have all my embellishments set, just in case I change my mind or have a different plan. I don't ruin my whole layout. Initially, I was done with my page, but then I realized that my left side was a little plain, so I went ahead and added the tag and the tabs to that side. I hope my project gave you some inspiration for this week, and have a great week, everyone.